Admitted complaint.
Oh, but can you come talk to me?
All right. Thank you.
I have other cases in here.
Court calls the case. People versus Jody Williams.
Ready, Your Honor.
Alexander, on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
You're just everywhere.
Pardon?
You're everywhere.
It's been tough. I'll get my steps in. Joe Simon on behalf of Ms. Williams. Jody, state your name.
Jody Williams.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we're asking the matter be set for preliminary exam. And because you always know I never cause trouble for the court, what is the earliest possible? Because my travel dates are both on successive Tuesdays. I'd like to have this sooner than the 24th if possible. I travel on the 24th and then on July 1st. So
Oh, so you want us to accommodate your scheduling
if
on
possible,
everything?
if possible.
That's an arrogance I haven't seen in a long time. Will the 17th work for you?
Yes,
All right. So
thank you.
discovery is complete.
Yes.
Would the people have their witnesses available the 17th?
We'll do our best, Your Honor.
All right. Preliminary examination in person, June 17th, 2025. 9 a.m. That is before
Judge Moore.
Judge Moore.
Wait for me outside, okay? Thank you.
Bond,
Oh,
bond
sorry.
will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bye.
I'll see you on the next docket on Zoom, but Your Honor, I will say this, it's always an uplifting experience.
Back at you. That's all I got. Court calls the case People versus Wesley Brand.
Alexander, on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Wendy Burnwell on behalf of Mr. Wesley Yonder Brand.
All right. What are we doing? I think I have a conditional release
They're gonna address
violation.
violation because
Yes, Your
you made a
Honor.
call
It's been
and they're
prosecuted.
describing all
Jail
this
calls for
allegedly.
records. We have 17 complete calls to the victim since he was arraigned, as well as 84 total attempt in tried. So he's tried to call her a total of 84 times, with 17 of those calls getting through.
Counsel.
Your Honor, this
The
is,
bond violations. Why don't we start there?
Your Honor, this is, I didn't have enough time to talk to him about the particular alleged bond violation, Judge. I did read it yesterday. It was sent to me and I did read the bond violation.
And does he want it set for hearing? Or?
One
does
second,
he
Judge.
admit to the violations? Gonna need a.
Okay. This way. Do you want to set it for a hearing? Yes, Judge.
What are we gonna do?
It's just to set it for a hearing, Judge.
All right.
I'm assuming it's another day.
Yes,
Okay.
set a bond violation here. Gonna have room on 12.
Yes.
So I'll adjourn the probable cause and set a bond violation hearing for June 12th, 2025
Split second,
at
Judge.
3 p.m.
I'm here.
Pending that hearing, defendant.
I'm here, Judge. I'm here in front of this court that same day.
All right.
So
So that's at 3 p.m. And pending that hearing, defendant's phone privileges are hereby ordered revoked. His bond, however, is continued. Thank you.
So Judge will set an exam day on that day.
That's what you wish.
Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Derek Stewart.
APA Richard McDuffie for the people.
Mr. Derek Stewart,
The public defender case. No one was assigned to it.
No one responded.
I'm here, Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger, on behalf of Mr. Stewart. It sounds like Derek Stewart.
He's here.
Okay, thank you. And Your Honor, obviously, we haven't, our office has not had any time to review his police report with him and the evidence. So
Well, what is this say? Except for confidence.
It's just on the bond. July.
It's here on the bond by, on the bond by. And you know nothing about those, I take it.
that's correct, Your Honor.
Is there a report? Oh,
That's all.
okay, on this matter, the defendant is in custody on this case, I think, as well as others. He's awaiting a review hearing, which is set for July 22nd, 2025. Well, he wouldn't have been in. I think at this point, he's being held on this alleged bond violation, because otherwise it wouldn't have occurred that way. So at this point, what I will do is I'll continue the defendant's bond as being revoked for the violation pending a hearing on this. There's a report that needs to be prepared, as well as that, I have shown counsel the preliminary results, I guess, of the bond violation, which is possession of a weapon. So I'll set a bond violation hearing on this matter for June 26, 2025 at 3 p.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Court calls case People versus Anton Brooks.
Good morning, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell, standing in for the attorney of record, Mr. Kareem Johnson, on behalf of Mr. Brooks.
Thank you, sir.
Anton Brook.
You have any Barnwell certificate? Yes. All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, Mr. Johnson needs,
Anthony Alfaro Siquejas.
APA Richard McDuffie for the people.
Honor, Assistant Public Defender Nicholas Bukovich on behalf of Mr. Alfredo Correjas.
There yet. They hit the wrong hole. Seriously? Not really.
You can say your name for the record.
Anthony Alfaro, KS.
Got it. All right.
At this time, Your Honor, I'll be asking for a brief adjournment. He has another probable cause conference date scheduled with you next week on a new matter that is the basis for the alleged bond violation. So we are asking for the adjournment to be able to track those cases together.
He has a what?
A probable cause conference with you on June 12th.
On June
So
12th.
next week. So that's that brief adjournment. So the cases can track together.
And that case is what result. Oh,
Is what I believe is
Yeah.
deal as bond violation.
that's what I was trying to follow with what you indicated. So
Yes,
we'll
sir.
deal with that bond violation. I'll grant the adjournment.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll adjourn this probable cause conference, June 12th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bakovich, that went much better for you than last week.
It did.
Maybe it can continue.
That's the goal, Your Honor.
Because when you came up, I got scared. I just didn't know. Court calls the case, People versus London Daughter.
Andrew Childers appearing on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Gentlemen, judges on behalf of Mr. Daughtery.
London Daughter.
Two cases. What are you looking to do?
Your Honor, we are going to be adjourning. I believe we don't have discovery on one of the cases. So we're waiting to receive that from the prosecutor's office.
And I'm presuming that's on its way.
I believe it's the 1318, or one of the legal assistants or paralegals in our office emailed, I believe Tuesday, and then they looped you in and said, have you guys requested it? It's from a couple of years back, but we don't have discovery on one of them.
All right. Well, what I'll do is I'll adjourn probable cause conference June 26, 2025, 9 a.m. Let you guys try to get that cleared up. I see that the one is a 22 case, so sure they'll be able to find it. But all right.
Thank you.
Bond will continue. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay.
Court calls case People versus Jerome Burns.
Morning, Honor, and Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Babbitt.
And Assistant Public Defender Chinazi Kyriak and Lily, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Jerome Burns.
Nice of you to show up. Just thought I'd throw that out there.
I figured it was coming your way.
Mr. Burns, state your name for the record, please.
Jerome Burns.
Thank you, sir. All right, what are we doing?
So, Your Honor, we are here for two matters today. I think we're doing a sentencing on the bond violation for Mr. Burns, as well as the probable cause conference. In regards to the probable cause conference, Judge, we are asking that this matter be respectfully set for preliminary examination.
You have all of the discovery.
To my knowledge, Judge, yes, we do.
We'll have the witnesses available to 7.
We'll do our best here.
All right, why don't I do this? I'll set preliminary examination June 17th, 2009, 9 a.m. Or, well, why don't I do it this way? I'm going to set this one at 12 p.m. before me, since it's usually on the other day. And I'll adjourn the sentencing on his bond violation to that same day.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bond will continue. Court does call the case People versus Tequila. Evans, Guy. What?
She should be on Zoom.
Tequila's on Zoom? Is she here?
Oh, okay.
I don't see her name. Oh, there. Tequila, stop coming down.
She wished she could have.
Sure, sure. Tequila, can you state your name?
Tequila Evans Gaye.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What are we doing?
So, Your Honor, when we were here last time, I incorrectly filled out the plea form where I said that I was adding count 2 and dismissing count 1. And I meant to put I was adding count 3 and dismissing count 1 and 2. So that is why you're here today.
It's also my bad because I didn't notice that on the plea form. So it's count 1 and 2 that are getting dismissed.
Got it. We're coming back just to correct the record.
Mhm.
All right. What I will do then is I will sign sort of dismissing counts 1 and 2, accepting the defendant's plea to count 3, and then set the sentencing date. I'll set the sentencing date 7/10/25 at 10 a.m. before Judge Washington. And what I will do is I'm accepting the plea to count 3, non-protunct to May 22nd.
Do we need to turn in the form or not? The clerk
Yes,
report?
why don't you?
We don't need the advice of rights again, right?
You don't need that.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, John.
Thank you. That should clarify everything. Court calls case People versus Curtis Damon.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lord Yagi, Assistant Public Defender, with and on behalf of Mr. Damon.
Good morning, Ms. Sharkey.
Good morning. Mr. Damon, could you state your name for the court?
Yes, Curtis Mitchell Damon.
Your Honor, I did